Yo! What is up, everyone? Today, we're playing The Forest. Here we go. New game. So, I played this game a little bit. I absolutely suck at it, so I hope you guys get to see me progress in the game. Let's do this. This place, I guess. To Timmy. Yeah, you don't need that anymore, Timmy. Should have kicked me earlier. Oh, well, put it on! Put it on! Oh, yep, no, you're dead. No, you're dead. Yep. Because you didn't put on your seatbelt, you're gonna die. Everybody's gonna die now. Your son's gonna die. You're gonna die. He's gonna die. Over there, he's gonna die. He's gonna die. We're all gonna die because of you and your stupid not wearing seatbelt sign. Yep. There you go. Yep. Yep. I'm sorry, Timmy. No. Timmy. Sir, wait. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You have a bag. You have a bag. You don't deserve it, son. You didn't put on your seatbelt. I knew I should have worn it. I knew I should have worn that seatbelt. My lord. Okay, that's enough acting like I'm in the game. Oh, that's nice. I got an axe now. My journey may begin. Turning everything up. Look at that. I gotta hurry and find. I gotta hurry and build a base. Alright, let's go this way. Oh. Never mind, let's go this way. Wait, come back. Lead me to the place where I belong. This seems like a nice little place. Thank you. Thank you, dear. If I had a bow and arrow, I'd eat you right now, but I don't, so you're safe for now. Wait. Oh no. No, I can't be here. Great. Screw you, dear. You didn't even... You know what? Get over here. Get over here. Whatever. I'm really sorry to you all if it's like glitchy. It's a GeForce now, so it's not gonna be the best. I usually play this on peaceful because it's hard enough without this. Wait. Hey, this is the same place me and my friends built a base at. Very interesting. Right here. Right here. Small cabin. Build it right on a rock. Yep. I need food. Sorry, bird. Ooh, 2 in 1. I killed 3 birds with... I killed 2 birds with 1 axe. So... That's kind of a perfect spot, though. Because birds are going to like to be on that rock. Think. If any of you are bored, let me tell you a story while we build my house. So, back in 1444, 12 kids ate 12 cucumbers. But little did they know those cucumbers were actually tomatoes. And they were poisoned to myrrh! So they went to a witch. Who, was a little bit of a snitch. And told them they have 2 hours to live. The children, obviously, were distraught by that information. So, they then, planned a rebellion against the witch. And then when they did, the witch, I don't remember what happened after that, but I was one of those 12 kids. Oh, well. Oh, okay, well I got 3 logs now. Anyways, house is done! I'll tell you more of the story if I remember it. I knew I shouldn't have built it on a rock. I gotta crouch now in this house. Great. Slot 5. Alright. So... let's just check our book. I'm pretty sure the beach is right there, so I could probably get a turtle shell. But I feel really bad for killing a turtle. Birdhouse, yeah. On this tree. What is that noise? What? How do I... Okay. Now... log. Yep. Perfect! God, that was so hard to make. So I'm thinking we should make like more small cabins and have those like rooms. Maybe, I don't know. Timber! That almost destroyed my house. Oh, perfect. What was I saying about perfect? Smallest tree. Whatever, I'll just use the logs for something else later. Timber. Okay. That's okay, I guess. And then, I should make like something for hunting, I guess. Treehouse? Or tree platform. I think a tree platform, actually. Yeah. This guy be more in the forest. Because I'm hunting, obviously, so. How about right here? Yeah. Okay, 4 more. And then we gotta go to that camp or whatever by the pond there and get rope. That should be it. Okay, now I need rope. Let's go get it. Okay. I want to build a repair thing real quick. Oh, wait, no. Here. Cloth, right? No. Come on. Crafted a repair tool. Done. Now, if they attack, you know, I can repair it. Grab the rope, and then you know what? I'll just do it tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. Yeah. It's getting dark out anyways. Yeah. I need to wash this blood off of me tomorrow. Next episode too. Okay. Oh, it only works in multiplayer. Trying to do a duplication glitch with the leaves. You gotta have the tray for that. Thought I could do it without the tray, but no. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4. You're 1 pixel away, come on. Okay, thank you. Okay, so that was episode 1, everybody. Thank you for watching, and have a Remy-tastic day. That's what I'm gonna say. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah. Goodbye.